Hey YouTube, this is Ninja Skills here, and it's Josh. I'm just doing a little review on the catz gaming keyboard. It's a nice keyboard. Bought quite a while ago for one of my birthdays, and well, I'm just gonna give you a little review. So it's a good keyboard. It's definitely good for gaming, and it does have a light up feature, but sometimes mine doesn't work. That's because I think I've used it too much. Overall, it's a good keyboard. It's got some nice decoration, that cat symbol here and here. Here's the light, come on now. If I just turn my light off to show you what it's like. It's not too bright, to be honest. It's quite nice. It's a nice view of it. One thing I say is bad about it is this space bar here. It works, but if you it's not working a bit. So if that's it for the album, you put it down lightly, like it's not working. Like I pushed it down and it's not come back up. So then you have to press it down quite hard. Then again, it is a gaming keyboard. Oh, this is a nice keyboard. It's got stands on the back here, which like flip out. I only had one done, so you know, it's good that it has that. And that's about it for this keyboard. I'll be doing my gaming notes later on. It's quite late, so you know. Alright, thanks guys. Remember to comment, subscribe and leave a like. Let's see ya.